Welcome to our ultimate beard trimmer showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular grooming tools, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 and the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger. We'll dive into their features, performance, and what real users have to say about them. Let's find out which trimmer is the best fit for your grooming needs. When it comes to price, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 is significantly more affordable at just $54, making it a budget-friendly choice for many users. On the other hand, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger comes with a premium price tag of $99, reflecting its high-quality materials and features. If you're looking for value for money, Braun offers a competitive option without compromising on essential functionalities. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 is an 8-in-1 trimmer, designed for various grooming tasks including beard trimming, body grooming, and hair clipping. It features 40 length settings, allowing for a customizable grooming experience. In contrast, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger focuses primarily on beard trimming, with 20 adjustable lengths. While it excels in precision, it may not offer the same versatility as the Braun. Therefore, if you need a multifunctional grooming tool, Braun is the way to go. In terms of build quality, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger boasts a premium stainless steel design, which not only looks sleek, but also enhances durability and performance. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit, while made of durable plastic and metal, may not match the high-end feel of the MANSCAPED. However, it still offers solid performance for its price. If you prioritize a premium feel and construction, the MANSCAPED is likely the better choice. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 and the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger have their strengths. Braun offers versatility and affordability, while MANSCAPED provides premium quality and precision. Your choice ultimately depends on your grooming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.